Welcome to a new Prowler video. Prowler is the most used open cloud security platform that detects vulnerability, helps you prioritize risk and remediate issues, and ensures continuous compliance. Today, we are going to present a new provider, a bit different than the other ones. Infra's code provider. This will help you shift security left and detect issues before they are even in production. And it will be available in version 5.14 or next release. So let me show you from the start. Let's going to add a new repo. Okay, let's just add this repo with some vulnerabilities. Okay, the repo is public, so we don't need an access token, but if it were private, we only need to add here our token and it will work the same. Okay, let's run a single scan for this. Okay. In the meantime, let me show you that we choose GitHub for the test, but this also support GitLab and other platforms that are compatible with Git. So you can choose your favorite repositories. Okay, now the findings. Let's go. Okay, it's a small repo, so it only have a few findings. Let's see, for example, this one. Okay, a security group rule should not allow unrestricted egress to any IP address. We can see that it tells us which file is affected, which resource, and in which line. We can go directly using this link to the repository and we can see the finding directly. Here it's unrestricted onboard access, and we can see that the recommendation is that we should restrict this to a explicit range of IPs whenever, if possible. If not, as we are using Trivia underneath, you can add Trivia tags like this one to mute this finding. Let's see another finding. We can see that here the scan detected the secret access key for AWS in our simple app. So let's go directly to see the issue. And yeah, here it is, hard-coded credentials. Don't do this, please. Okay. In this case, there is no recommendation, but I can tell you, you should remove it from there. But we can also try to ask our companion, like, how can I fix this finding? And let's see what it recommends. Okay, and we can see, okay, it's still writing. Okay, it finished. We can see here that it read the finding, and of course, it did the same recommendation I did. Also, it asks to revoke the key, very good recommendation, and refactor the application to avoid hard-coded credentials. It even gives us some suggestions, like to rely on the provider chain using environment variables, and here more details about how we can remove that secret from the Git history. And that's all for today. I will leave you links to the documentations and the trial for Prowler Cloud in the video around here in the screen. Thanks. See you in the next one.